Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into the world of network forensics and analysis, specifically taking a closer look at Netfox, a powerful network monitoring tool available at www.netfox.ca. This tool allows you to capture, analyze, and interpret network traffic, providing valuable insights into what's happening on your network. Whether you're troubleshooting connectivity issues, investigating security incidents, or simply want a better understanding of your network activity, Netfox can be an invaluable asset. This user-friendly software offers a range of features designed to simplify complex network analysis. With its intuitive interface, you can easily monitor traffic in real time, identify potential bottlenecks, and pinpoint suspicious activity. Netfox captures detailed information about each connection, including source and destination IP addresses, port numbers, protocols used, and the amount of data transferred. This granular level of detail makes it much easier to diagnose network problems and identify the root cause of performance issues. One of the key strengths of Netfox lies in its ability to reconstruct TCP sessions. This feature allows you to piece together the entire conversation between two endpoints, giving you a comprehensive view of the data exchange. By examining the reconstructed sessions, you can gain a deeper understanding of the applications and services running on your network, as well as identify any anomalies or security breaches. Furthermore, Netfox provides the capability to export captured data in various formats, facilitating further analysis and reporting. Netfox is a versatile tool suitable for a variety of use cases, from home users looking to understand their network traffic to network administrators responsible for managing complex enterprise environments. Its ease of use combined with its powerful features makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to gain greater visibility into their network activity. So, if you're interested in learning more about your network and enhancing your troubleshooting capabilities, head over to www.netfox.ca and explore the possibilities of Netfox. Remember, understanding your network traffic is the first step towards optimizing its performance and ensuring its security. Let us know in the comments what you think about network analysis tools and share your experiences.